my name is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to sanitize your makeup products, your makeup kit, and also the surface on which you will place your makeup products. I will show you the different types of sanitizers that you can use for these products and so this video will be very helpful. So share it with your friends. Even if you're not a makeup artist, this video is still very useful for your personal hygiene. So let's get started and let's see how to sanitize everything. Guys, the first sanitizer that I'm showing you is this. This is a multi-surface sanitizer, which means it can be used on wooden, plastic or any kind of surface. And this is an ethanol spray. This one has 95% of ethanol. That means it will evaporate very fast without leaving the trace of water. So you can use this on the surface on which you will place your makeup, or you can use this even for the pouches in which you put your brushes, and also for your makeup kit. So this should be your first step before you start placing your makeup. The first step should always be to sanitize the surface properly. So now the second sanitizer is this. So 70% isopropyl means there's 70% of alcohol and then 30% of something else. It can be water or anything. So this particular product has aloe vera, neem and tulsi, and hence I won't use this on my makeup products. So I will just use this on the surface. So I have my makeup products here. I'm using this 70% isopropyl to just spray it on the surface here of the makeup. Important, before you start touching your products and start opening it, this is one step that you should be doing. Okay guys, now the most important part, which is how to sanitize your eyeshadows, your blushers, lipsticks, mascara, everything. So this is what you can use. So this one is 99.9%, which means just pure isopropyl and is nothing mixed in it. So I have transferred the content in this spray bottle. You can get any spray bottle in the market, and I have labeled it so that I don't get confused. So I'm taking this palette and using this 99% alcohol directly on it, just 2-3 pumps. So here you can see little product here, little droplets here. Now this will evaporate in few seconds, killing all the bacteria on your product. So I'm sanitizing even the gel liner with it, so just keeping it at a distance and spraying. Now for the lip pencils, either you can just sharpen them or just break the tip, or else you can just take this product in a little container and just dip your lip pencil in that for a few seconds, or else just spray it like how I'm doing it here. And then I will just wipe it with the help of a tissue. Now one way to use your mascara is you can take disposable wands and just take out the mascara on it, use it and just dispose it off. Even this wand, mascara wand, you can spray this 99% alcohol on it. Also, very important thing that most of us forget is sanitizing the sharpeners. So you can just spray a little bit on the sharpener and clean it with a tissue. Brushes, I would suggest you should just wash your brushes thoroughly. After every use, you should wash your brushes, and before using it, you should just spray it with this 99% alcohol. One small tip here guys, everyone should have a mixing plate like this. Make it a habit to take out everything on this palette, be it your lipstick, eyeliner, foundation, everything on this palette, and then use it. Then you will avoid dipping your brush again and again into the product and infecting it. So this step is very necessary, so make sure that you follow this. It's nice. To sum it all up, sanitize yourself, sanitize the surface, and also sanitize each and everything in the makeup that you will be using. this will be the new normal in this pandemic situation, and these are the steps that are required to maintain the safety and the hygiene standards. So let's all work together to create a better environment for ourselves and for everyone around us. So stay safe and stay healthy.